So who loved the Samurai Salamanders movie?
And who thought it was nothing more than a stereotypical examination of the perceived cultural dichotomy between freewheeling, non-conforming Western attitudes and strict conformist Eastern traditions? Ooh, I like her.
Anyway, as exclusive distributor of Samurai Salamander toys, Knick Knack is giving the first 100 kids in line a free collector's edition action figure, which won't be available in stores for another 3 whole days.
So what, you'll just clap for anything?
And I haven't told you the best part. We have some special guests for you to meet. The real Samurai Salamanders are here! And they're just as cool as they were in the movie! I can't get this mask on.
That's because it's the tail.
I can see how you'd confuse your face with your...
Hey, guys! The kids out there are really excited.
Who wouldn't be? We get to meet the real Samurai Salamanders. From the movie.
Knox, we're the Samurai Salamanders.
I think I would have remembered being in a movie.
Seriously? Who are we trying to fool? I mean, these cheap costumes look nothing like the characters from the movie, which I totally saw the whole thing of and didn't wash through my fingers because the bad guys are really scary. They're not here, are they? Okay, here come the kids. Samurai poses.
It's the real Samurai Salamanders!
Buckle up and hold on tight. You and me on a wild ride. We're gonna own it and change the game. Together we'll make it all the way. Through all the ups and all the downs. We'll always find a way around. So here we go. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. You got me, I got you. Here we go.
You know how in the movie when Dr. Heinous used his laser sword to cut off your tail and then grew back?
Yeah?
Does it work on other body parts?
I don't see why it wouldn't. Give it a try.
Okay, kids, it's time for us, the real Samurai Salamanders, to show you our signature moves. Yeah! Boom, 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 boom! Hammer fist!
Zing, 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 zing. Razor strike.
Whoosh! Tornado kick!
What move is that?
The pee-pee dance. I'll be in the little salamander's room. Whew, had to drain the lizard suit. Didn't make it to the bathroom.
Do you mind? I've got my own problems. The editor of Spiffy Dude magazine wants to feature my designs in the next issue.
That is bad. How do you get through the day?
That's the good part. The bad part is I can't afford to hire a male model for the photo shoot. I spent all my money on this sewing machine so I could look busy when you came out of the bathroom in the hopes you wouldn't talk to me. Piece of junk doesn't work.
You could still use it for sewing.
Don't be silly. That's what this one's for.
If you're looking for a male model, it's kind of obvious who you should ask.
I know, but Knox and Jarvis both said they're busy.
I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about someone in this room.
Oh, I see what you're suggesting. I guess I have no other choice.
No, you do not.
Hey, Piper, how would you like to be in a fashion magazine? Me? Yeah. I want you to model my latest designs for a big-time fashion editor.
Why don't you ask Geneva?
You've got a better look for this.
Really? What's your angle? Besides really low looking up.
I just think the clothes I design will look great on you. You've got a model's face and body.
I do? But give me one good reason why I should do this.
Guys like dating models. And Jarvis is a guy.
I said good reason. That's a great reason!
Thanks. Meeting you kids was awesome. Or should I say, amphibious.
It was so cute how those kids believed we were the real Samurai Salamanders.
I'm just glad to finally get this mask off. I've been inhaling my own breath for 4 hours. Imagine how I feel.
Put it back on! Put it back on!
Almost forgot my action figure. The Samurai Salamanders aren't real?
Quick, Bowie, take off your mask so he passes out.
If the Samurai Salamanders aren't real, then who's gonna stop Dr. Heinous?
Well, actually, since we're on the subject, the truth is Dr. Heinous did this to me.
He did?
Yeah. He altered the radioactive gamma rays that turned us into the Samurai Salamanders in the first place to create a new mutation. And now I'm stuck with this face. This handsome, handsome face. What are you talking about? You just took off in our Samurai Skyjet to go to our top secret lab and develop this laser pen that will change me back. Laser pen? That's just used to right the wrongs committed by the evil Dr. Heinous. Now, cover your eyes so you're not accidentally blinded by the laser beam. Accidentally blinded?
Can I handle this one?
I'd appreciate it if you would. There is no way.
Tornado kick! Whoosh!
Okay, now cover your eyes. Fire the laser! Pew, pew!
Is it working?
You tell me.
Oh, thank goodness! You're a salamander again.
I'm gonna miss that handsome face. But the team needs me.
I told you we were real.
Whoa, the laser pen worked!
Tornado kick! Whoosh!
Who was that for?
Oh. Okay, how should I move on the catwalk? Like this?
No. Just walk like you always walk.
Really? Like this?
Perfect. Now let's do something about your makeup.
Let me guess. You want me in some girly pink eyeshadow and matching lip gloss?
Actually, I was thinking no makeup.
Really? I thought models wore a lot of makeup.
Not all models. I want your natural look to come through.
Fine, but I don't wear that much makeup. Okay, but just because I'm now a model, don't expect me to buy into the whole unhealthy, thin, obsessed culture and starve myself.
Not at all. I don't want you to look anything like those women. In fact, I even got you a glass of thick, rich chocolate milk.
Oh, thank you. That is good.
It is good.
Good thinking with that laser pen. You really solved that problem.
And created a new one.
I can't believe I'm close personal friends with the Samurai Salamanders. What should we do first? Should we look for Dr. Heinous? Should we patrol the streets of Mega City? Ooh, can you do that thing in the movie where you lift off the skyscraper and spun your nunchucks like propeller blades to float safely to the ground?
Sure. What are you doing? You won't survive that fall? I know. I just really need to get away from this kid.
I know how to get rid of him. Pew! Pew! Laser's out of juice.
That's it. I'm taking off the mask. I'm starting to smell like Bowie in here. Like Bowie!
You can't. He'll be crushed. Look, do you think I enjoy hiding my handsome face? Sure, I've got a mirror and a flashlight in here, but it's not the same. Give me that.
The mirror? Why would you want a mirror?
Not the mirror, the flashlight. Gasp! Look, the salamander signal. Yes, we are needed at an emergency. There is a bad crime thing happening at a place that's not here.
Let's go!
It's an underwater crime. Amphibians only. If you came with us, you drown. If the kid wants to go.
Will I ever see you again?
No! We mean unless you have a problem. Then we'll be here for you. An untied shoe is not a real problem. Feels good to pee in my own clothes again. And it's nice not to wear that mask anymore. So much easier this way.
I will not miss that kid.
None of us will. He's right there.
You again.
What are you talking about? We've never met.
Oh, yeah, right. You for the first time. What can we do for you? Other than call your mommy and beg her to pick you up.
I'm looking for the Samurai Salamanders.
They're dead.
Serious about fighting crime. That's why they're not here.
But they told me I should come back if I ever had a problem. And I have a problem.
Yeah, it's called pathological neediness. Am I right, Jarvis? Come on, Jarvis, back me up. I'm right, right? Don't just stand there. I need you right now. Well, I can give the salamanders a message. What's your problem, kid?
You know that collector's item action figure I stood in line all morning to get?
Yeah?
Timmy took it.
Timmy? Who's Timmy?
Timmy's the toughest guy in my neighborhood. He's such a meanie. He and his friends stole the action figure and then rode off on their bikes.
Okay, you tell Timmy and his friends to come by, and we'll make sure the Samurai Salamanders are here to handle it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you!
What are you doing?
Signaling the salamanders. If you know a better way to get them here, I'm listening.
Does everything fit okay?
Yeah, perfectly. It's like this stuff is made for my body type.
Yep. Uh-huh.
So how do I look?
Spiffy. But have some more chocolate milk.
No, that's fine. I've had enough. I've had so much chocolate milk, I'd better use the ladies' room before the photo shoot.
The ladies' room? But there were mirrors in there.
Jarvis designed this place. Most of the rooms have mirrors. Anyway, I've really got to go.
No, you can't. There's no time.
It'll just take a second.
Ah!
I'll be in the ladies' room.
No need to get violent. We can talk this out, man to man.
I can't believe we're wearing these costumes again.
I can't believe I accidentally put on Bowie's.
Look, I know it's a pain, but when Timmy and his friends come, we'll just tell them stealing is wrong. Maybe we'll help a bad kid turn his life around to become a good person.
Timmy and his friends are on the way.
Well, I hope they get here quickly.
They will. They're on their bikes.
Timmy. I hear some salamanders wanted to talk to us.
Well, you must have the wrong place. We're frogs. Ribbit. Ribbit. Ribbit.
Quack!
Ribbit. Ribbit. Ribbit.
Quack!
What are you guys doing? You're the Samurai Salamanders.
No, we're not. We're frogs. I mean, ribbit, 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 ribbit.
The kid is right. We're not frogs.
What? Are you telling me I just ate a fly for nothing?
Roller coaster. Classic car desk. Ample motorcycle parking. This place is cool.
You know what isn't cool?
Bowie?
Stealing. You took this kid's action figure. Sir?
That's nothing compared to what we're about to take. Boys, welcome to our new hangout. Yeah.
You can't stay here, Timmy.
Oh, I think we can. If you got a problem with that, you can take it up with Stevie, Billy, Jeffy, and Joshy.
You tricked me into posing as a male model. Well, I have news for you. I'm a girl!
I'm sorry, but I had no choice. It's not like I could model the clothes myself.
What are you talking about?
I was always the shortest kid in my grade. Okay, in all the grades. That's why I taught myself to sew. I wanted to make clothes that fit me, so maybe, just maybe, the other kids would stop laughing. And I guess they're gonna laugh again because it looks like I'll have to model these.
I feel awful.
Whoa!
Okay, now I feel worse. Jarvis, aren't you gonna stop them?
Nah, they're just having a little harmless fun.
Hey, let me put on some of this sunscreen. Make sure you really get it in between the layers of back fat.
Harmless, disgusting fun.
Can we at least take off our masks? The kid isn't even here. And let these guys see our faces?
Better not miss a spot. I have a very fair complexion.
We've got to do something. These guys have gotten violent.
What did they do to you?
To me? Nothing. But one of them sat on him, boing.
That's terrible, but there's nothing we can do.
What do you mean there's nothing we can do? We're the Samurai Salamanders. You said so yourself.
Knox, the Samurai Salamanders aren't real.
Right, we're unreal. Now let's go kick Timmy's butt.
Well, I guess that's better than putting sunscreen on it.
This is gonna be the mother of all bike seats. Mostly because it looks like my mother. But first, let's beat up that old guy.
Not so fast! You'll have to deal with the Samurai Salamanders first. Hammer fist!
Razor strike!
Tornado kick!
Pee-pee dance! You must remember the way of the samurai. Haughty before karate.
You think this is gonna scare us? Because they're dead. Don't hurt us. We'll go. We'll go. You keep it!
You did it! You stopped Timmy!
We did, somehow.
I guess those bullies weren't that tough. Maybe no one ever stood up to them before.
I'm just glad we don't have to be the Samurai Salamanders anymore.
Guys, look.
Who's holding the flashlight?
Nobody.
What are you talking about? Bowie's holding the flashlight.
Yeah, I said nobody. Who's more of a nobody than Bowie? Aster, I couldn't sleep last night. I felt awful about how we left things.
Uh-huh.
I never realized that when you're catty and mean and insulting and hurtful and rude and disrespectful and vicious and biting and did I say rude? That you're really just masking your own pain. So, I'll do the photo shoot.
You're too late.
Really? I'm sorry you didn't get your designs in the magazine.
No, I did. I modeled the clothes, and the editor loved the baggy, oversized, ill-fitting look. He said it was the next big thing. And he said it like it was a great joke, so I laughed.
There's no way anyone's gonna dress like that.
Look at this guy's outfit. It's so yesterday.
The long 3-day wait is finally over, and this exclusive Samurai Salamanders action figure is now available in store. But hurry, it'll only be sold for a limited time. And then shortly after that, will be sold again for an unlimited time. Get your rare collector's edition action figure today, because once it's sold out, we'll make more and then sell those.
I'm P. Everett Knick-Knack. The P stands for Plastic is Cheap and available to us in virtually unlimited quantities.